Hi everyone, this is your host Andrea and welcome to Girl Talk, a show that celebrates women and all those who honor women. During our last episode, we launched our series called Women Leaders Beyond Politics, featuring the Mayor of Liloan, Mayor Cristina Garcia Frasco, and we've been receiving a lot of good feedback regarding that episode, and which is why we will be continuing that series, and we have another phenomenal woman in our studio on the set today, and find out who she is after this break.
Ang akong mga makeup, well, my God, I have expensive makeup.
Wow.
I have all collects. Taganya, tika.
Ganan ko, ana. Welcome back to Girl Talk, and I am super duper excited to introduce to all of you our phenomenal woman guest for this episode. I would describe her as somebody who has built an empire over the last 21 years. She has founded 11 companies, and these are, and I think this would also give you an idea as to who she is. These are Pinoy Care Visa Center, Amax International Manpower Corporation, Pinoy Care Travel World, Pinoy Care IELTS Review Center, Pinoy Land International Property, Philippine Care Manpower Care Solutions Incorporated, Care Center Management Services, daghan kayo, Prisca Beauty and Cosmetics. They also have Prisca Beauty Line Distribution, Prisca Hollywood Nails and Spa, and to complete the list, they also have Dragon Fill LPG. And aside from that, of course, she is also the Councilor of Cebu City. Guys, let's all welcome in the studio Councilor Nina Mabatid. Hi, Cons!
Hello,
We are very
Andrea,
excited.
and hello to all the viewers of my TV.
Yes, gwapa kayo si Konsehal niya. Cons, so again, this is our series called Women Leaders Beyond Politics. So, for this episode, atong hisgutan anything and everything except politics. So we would like to see the other side of you.
Okay.
So you as a woman, as a mother, and as someone who has also her own different kinds of interests and passions. But let's start first, like what we did with Mayor Cristina. We started in chronological order. So we'd also like to know, everybody knows man sad gyud your rags to riches nga story. But how was it like growing up for you? What were your childhood memories nga murag mutatak gyud sa imuha, hindi gyud nimo makalimtan?
Well, you know, when I was young, we were very hard up, and I'm the typical nga estudyante nga nagtrabaho at the same time. no?
Working student.
Working student. And akong mama na may karinderya. No? So, kung walay eskwela, mutabang gid mi sa karinderya. Kusog man kaistanan kay our karinderya is located between Urot Memorial High School and Mabolo Elementary High School. So, ang mga suki dito, mga teachers, students, mga police, kay doon man ta og police station, o mga trabahante sa SM. No? So, muna, and then, syempre, usa sa ako ang responsibility nga gihatag sa akong mama. Ako'y tigsuroy og banana queue sa mga eskwelahan, and bisag saging rato among gibaligya before, but I was already very competitive kay daghan
Really?
ang akong mga pag-umangkon, mga ka-age ra nako kay late mo ko gianak sa akong mama. So iniguli na mo padaghan na gid mi og halin, no? And it just so happened nga ako'y pirmi mahalinan kay maybe tungod sa kagamay nako, no? And I'm always smiling all the time. Muna nga akong mga teachers, favorite kay ko nila nga tindera. So, igulian na ako ginay pinakadaghan og sales. And we also sell ice water, no? Isuroy gyapon na mo na siya sa mga eskwelahan. And every sinulog kanang nagid mi sa dan mamaligyag ice water. But ang akong dili malimtan nga while doing all those things, kanang happy gali ko. I love my job. Or ganahan kay ko sa gipatrabaho sa akong mama nako. Wagi kakapoy gani. And baka himo gugog ice water nga average of 300 pieces in
Mao ba?
an hour.
Really?
On how I wish na
Pura
plastic
nagpas-
diri.
Pura nagsyagkuan ka
Sampula nung tatawa how to do it, na master na. And then akong mama nakadiscover nga paspas na kay ko muhimog ice water. Gidungagan ko 100 ako na pong ginahinayag balik.
Maro de.
Oh, wise kay kustanan. And then kanang samo ang pagkaon sa karinderya, di gid mi allowed mo kuha og mga hiniwa nga pagkaon kay expensive, malkansi mi.
So, unsa man ninyo pwede kaonon?
vegetables ra or
Ano nga
kung-
pakbet,
oh,
ana?
ana, bami, kanya pwede magigbaboy gamay katong ginaling, no? So usahay digit magwanta ba, no, among buhaton mo kuha gyud ko usa ka hiwang manok niya akong tabunan sa kanon.
Para dili
Para di
maklaro.
makita sa mama.
Were you the eldest of your siblings, Cons?
Actually, I'm the youngest in the family.
Okay. So, pila mo kabuk man nagsuon?
5 me in the family. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers.
Okay. So, at that time, ang gikabisihan sa imong mother was your kalendarya nga business.
Yes.
Imuhang dad at that time, growing up, unsa
Akong
iyahang...
papa was a government employee. He was a photographer. Nya, coterminous to siya kung kinsa ang governor. But then, tungod sa iyang kamaayog batasan, absorb gyud siya sa mga gi-absorb gyud siya sa tanang governors. So from Osmondo Rama na adto siya ni Gulyas and then katong Lito Osmeña. Basta tanang governors na serve gid niya. Wa siya papahawa even if coterminous ang iyahang ranggo gani tungod sa kamaayo niyang tao.
Would you say, Cons, nga kaning imong mga experiences, like, nakasuway kag pamaligyag banana queue before, imong gisuroy, these were murag stepping stones sa gid ba nga dili nimo makabuot kaning tanang mga kompanya nga imuhang gipang found
Well,
if not for those experiences as a child?
Ang ako lang gid no nga kanang in everything that I do, kanang competitive lang gid kay ko. Like og tagaan ko og task, ako ginang trabahoon. Nya kailangan ako gimulabaw. Murag inana gali. So inana ko ka active, ka competitive niya. Happy kay ko sa kong gipangbuhat gani. But then I never thought nga I will become a businesswoman someday kay when I was already like 18 years old, nitrabaho ko sa French Baker as cashier. Yeah, nakatrabaho sad ko sa SM department store. Sa
As what?
as mahugog sales lady, but at the same time tungod kay kanang ganahan sila sa akong voice. Gi-assign ko sa customer service kana gayong tig-page.
Tig-page.
Gusto kag sample.
Sige daw, Cons. Calling the attention.
To all our valued customers, please take care of your personal belongings, especially your bags and wallets. Remember, Shoemart cares.
Nakipin na sample. Wag yun ani mo nakalimtan
Wala
niya.
gid ako. And then, you know, the funny thing is, one of the major requirements kung mo-apply ka og SM, you have to have a 5'2" nga height.
Okay.
Yeah. Of course, obviously, wa ko kaabot og 5. Pero
Sige, unsa man to nimo?
well, kanang maglinya man mo ana sa gawas, no, kung mo apply mo taas kay nang linya, init pag gyud kay wa binay tabon ang back office sa SM. Nya kay bawo gyud kung di ko dawaton, pero I really need the job badly. Kung musuway lang gyud ko, basin pa di ay nothing is impossible, di ba? Ingko nga suway lang ko bahalag ingnon ko di ko madawat niya. Musugat gyud nimo, sukdanan gyud na sa height.
Okay.
So height first before anything else,
Before
no?
credentials.
Before credentials.
Kapait.
So, linya nimo, di kay ka kaabot og 5'2" out. Kung kaabot ka 5'2", in, pasudlon ka. So, ako na no.
Yun, so manikinto ka na.
Pag wala ko ni kintog, di madag kintog. So, kung saan, nag-heels na ko, di kapon kaabot. But then, you know what? Ang tigsukod ba, pagkita niya na ako, nitutok bito na siya na ako, niya ningon siya. Pero sa daddy, padaplin sa diskilid. Then,
Really?
after that, I was gipasud ko and I was given the chance to be interviewed nga gidawat ko, so I'm the only one
Ooh.
nga na-accept nga wa kaabot og 5'2" 5'2" ang height. It was
Da.
really near impossible.
Oo
Pero
ba?
I don't know, maybe tungod naluoy sila nagkantaw na ako. Maybe nada sila sa akong smile.
Ah.
Then mo to nagtrabaho ko sa SM department store and then ni-apply sa ko sa SM Cinema.
Yes,
As-
I've seen that sa
yeah.
inyong interview with Mike Lopez. You mentioned that.
As a portress, no, kanang tigisi og ticket. Same story. There's a height requirement, but I gitagaan gyapon kog chance to work there. And portera ko, half day tigisig ticket, half day assurat ko sa sud, kanang tig flashlight sa sud gali to guide them sa ilahang seats, tig badlong kung naimo patong og tiil, og tig flashlight sa mga mag kiss dito sa sud.
Karon kini naman mahimo kay COVID naman.
Wala.
Close man cinema.
And then ang pinaka di na ako malimtan nga kanang memories na ako sa SM Cinema kay manghumot ba ng pagkaon sa sud.
Kanang popcorn.
Mga popcorn, mga undimig sobra.
As in, really?
O lagi, pero makain ko, wala sa misa sakit. Una, makalaway biya kay humot ba kay ng popcorn.
yeah.
Gutom ba ya ha? Kaya ang among trabaho, we're only allowed to eat for 30 minutes for lunch. And then, ang dinner, wala na. 9 o'clock, 9:30 na may mahuman. Then, ato na ko sa balay mo kaon. But
Pero how is it like, Cons, nga, katay mo experience, nakasuway ka cashier, nakasuway ka og portress, no, ang term sa
Portress,
SM Cinema. Kaya you know what, growing up, I have a lot of friends who share the same sentiments with me ba nga, as a girl nga bata, mura magdaghan ani gusto nga dream job nga mahimong cashier kay lingaw magud tan-an magtuplok-tuplok sa
Bitaw.
I've always wanted my own cashier nga set when I was a child. Kaya
Right.
daghan sa kog friends nga moingon nga ako sad sa una ganahan kay ko mahimong
Kay
ana ba kay
maibog
murag
magud ta.
lingaw magud mo kuyog kasi mong mama mag-shopping na unay magtuplok-tuplok.
Oh.
Pero how hard is it to have that kind of job, especially nga pila mo ka hours magsigig barog, and would you say that you have a higher respect when you see mga sales ladies, mga cashiers kung mag-shopping ka
Grabe,
nga?
like I treat them nicely gyud because I know how difficult their job is. Dili gyud sa yun magtindog no
Lagi.
for 8 hours nga kanang wa gyud di ka allowed even to sit down or mutago ka sa kilid
Yeah.
para mulingkod ka diyot. Bawal gyud na siya. But then, maanad raman sa kay kinugayan, and especially if you enjoy your job,
Yeah.
kanang mawa man gyapon nimong kakapoy, especially katong nag-cashier ko sa French Baker.
Oo.
Ang ako yung role, cashier.
Oo.
Pero ang akong gusto gyud kay nga role, server.
Nga
Kay
naman.
na may tip. so
Oh,
akong,
bitaw, no?
so akong buhaton, especially sa French Baker, mamo na siya favorite nga standbayan sa mga tiguwang. nga katugan ni mga tiguwang nga sikat kay na sila. And I can still remember nga katong mga barkada ni Mayor Alvin Garcia. O niya na taghana sila nga paborito kay ko nila. So moabot gina sila biyaan ko gina akong cashier kay magdali-dali ko kay unlimited coffee man to before. So ako yun ang iipis ang coffee nila. Ako gisa serve kay iguman tagaan kog tip. Nga not only that, tagaan pa kog mga vouchers
Oo.
nga o sige kaon dito sa Casa Ilongga. O kaon dito kay mga tag-iya man pud sila mga restaurants, no? So ganahan ko, and I was really warned by my manager nga if you will leave your kanang cash register again, dili pawaon na gyud ka, ma-terminate na ka, kabawal na. So niundang gyud ko kay hadlok mo kung mawa og trabaho. Pero ang katong nga grupo moingon man sa manager, we want her to serve us. Mo na lang man sige na ko na lang dito. Yeah, tungod sa mga tip nila, mo to nga I get to enjoy some of the not really luxury but things nga ganahan kay ko but I cannot afford to buy. Like favorite kina na akong blush sa pen shop. Nga mahal ba yan ang pen shop?
Blush
Like,
on?
no, blush nga cologne.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
then that's very expensive for me. Sa tinuod
Okay.
lang sa kapubri na mo, digit ko ka-afford to buy anything, no? But then tungod sa tip, makasuway ko, makapalit-palit ra gyud ko sa akong mga ganahan. And karon ba sa akong status karon, nibalik yung pen shop. Ako
Mao
yung
ba?
gipalit tong blush Ako yung gisimot, ganahan pa ba
Oo,
ko
nagyapon.
niya?
Ganahan
But
pa ka?
I still like the scent.
Really?
Oo.
Nagid siya, it brings back memories.
Yes. Ako lang gigikuan ba nga humot pagid siya kay nganong before addict kay kuan ng blush, and again naka-afford rin ko palit ato because of the tip. So as I said, bisag unsa na akong buhaton, mo strive gyud ko for the best. Like I don't settle for something less. Kailangan the best gyud ko sa mga employees, kailangan ako mo stand out gyud ko like inana. And ana lang gyud, I'm very competitive.
Before we pause for a break, Cons, I'd just like to know, unsa gid ay imong childhood dream? Like when you were a child, unsa imong giingon sa imong self nga ganan ko ma-doctor ba? Did you ever see yourself to be in politics when you were younger?
No, I wanted to become a lawyer. Bata pa ko, no, but then nawa raman sa 2K kana I became an early mom, no. So ang ako ra yung goal ato nga makatrabaho lang gyud ko bisag unsa nga trabaho para lang mabuhi na ako akong anak, no. Kaya it's not easy to be a single mother. Yeah. Ang ako lang ato nga makapalit ko gatas, no, kay mahal king gatas, no. Grabe, as in, kanang ako ra ang usa nag-raise up sa akong anak. So ang ako lang ato nga digi ko mabakantihan og trabaho. Contractual basis man usually, di ba? So nakatrabaho gani ko sa PLDT as telephone operator. Contractual gihapon to siya. Nagdoble pagid kong trabaho during that time. My God, masya kaunsa ko kaniwang kay wala mo kuto. I work for PLDT during graveyard, and then inig ka daytime ni-apply ko sa isa ka recruitment agency. I was a clerk that time.
Okay.
And that
Dito
started.
siya nagsugod.
That
We have a
started.
lot more interesting questions to ask you, but for now, we'll pause for this short break. Welcome back to Girl Talk, and still here with us in the studio is Counselor Ninia Mabatid. Hi, Cons. Ganina, na-mention na nimo nga one of the biggest impact in your life was your being a mother. Murag mo jud to'y nakapa push nimo to strive harder when it comes to earning for your child. So let's talk about that. Let's go into motherhood. But I'm always curious. I also asked Mayor Christina about her birth story. Kita mo good as moms, I think it's one of the things that humanizes us women ba. Nga we all have different birth experiences. During your first, unsa imong mahinumduman? Was it difficult? All normal delivery sads ka sa duha?
Dili. Cesarean ko sa second. Ang first was very unforgettable for me. Kay wala man gyud ko kwarta before, no. I cannot even afford to have a doctor.
Really?
So
sa center lang ka?
ang nag-guide, ang nagam lang gyud nako was my midwife nga ninang. So siya nag-atiman nako from the start. Hangtod na nga nako, I gave birth at home.
Oo ba?
I
So wala
gave
jud ka
birth-
nakapa-ultrasound sa imong
Wala
first
ko
child?
ultrasound. Kay ka, ang akong gi-prepare nga mga sanina all white, kay wala ko kahibaw
Sa gender.
kung babae ba or lalaki akong anak. And then my sister was also pregnant that time, pero nakapa-ultrasound siya. So kahibaw siya nga iyang anak was a girl ang nigawa sa ultrasound. But then, ang nahitabo pagpanganak, lalaki day iyang anak. So,
Nasayop,
ang
reading.
iyahang mga naandam was for girls, for a baby girl nga mga staff. So, nagbaylo na lang mi kay ako, all white man. But then, ang di gid ako makalimtan, it was like a near-death experience because I was bleeding, kay dako kay ang baby. Dapat yun wa ko mga anak sa balay, kay I should have been handled with extra care. Kay gamay ba ako nga babay, dako day kay akong anak kay gipugos gyud
How many
ako.
pounds po?
She was 7.2 pounds.
Okay.
Ako gyud siyang giutong ba, so
Yeah.
I ended up in the hospital.
After.
Unya, I was in the ward section of Chonghua.
Oo.
Ward. And then, dito nakakita akong mama ug dugo nga donation sa prisuhan. Pero wag na nila gisulti na ako kay kana I might kanang
Mubalibad unya ka.
mabalibad ko or malain ko, no, nga gikan sa prisuhan ang nag-donate na ako og dugo, no. So ila ginang gitago na ako until ni isulti na gid sila finally diin sila gikag dugo. So I was infused with red blood, no?
Kinahanglan gyud ka abunuhan og dugo at the time
Abunuhan.
because you lost so much blood.
Yes.
But
oo.
how was it the experience like giving
Well,
birth
I
at
suffered
home?
postpartum blue that time, and plus I was very depressed, no? Kay kanang I was alone, no? But of course, I got the support from my mom and my father, no? They were very supportive. Pero di gyapon lalim nga ikaw ra ganing usas, and you're suffering physically, emotionally, mentally, no? So, lisod. And mura ganig nawagtangan kong pag-asa kay pagbuntis pa lang daan, mura ba kanang di ko happy ba about it kay kanang mo lagi na because of the situation. So, muto nga pag niabot og 1 year akong anak, I started to really find a better job, no? Na kinanglan di ko mabakantihan para ma-sustain ako iyahang needs, no? And one time, I had a communication with her father. Nya murag niingon siya nako nga sige, mutabang na lang ko, anhi lang mo kada sweldo, no? So, medyo nalipay ko ato, nya dako man ni si Aya. Nya I have to put her in a stroller, na may nihatag na kong stroller. I have to put her in a stroller every time want to make it para mangayo gwarta. Yeah, di man sad pwede mag-jeepney. Kaya lisod baya kay, so I have to take taxi. Giingnan bitaw ko sa iyahang papa nga kanang wanhi man lang mo kong sweldo, and that was it.
You did
And
not return.
I did not come back anymore.
But you did not resort to filing mga legal...
Wala ra gyud. Wala lang. Murag kato, murag dito ko na challenge pag-ayo nga kanang sakit ba na, no?
Yeah.
Ganun kag anhi lang mo sweldo da, no? So after to tagam gyud ko. After that, kana mo balik siya, wala na gyud. I never entertained him anymore, no? So mo to na ningkamot lang gyud ko kako.
So mo to murag you would say murag to turning point kini mo nga di na gid ko mapadaog-daog.
Kay bisag pobre ko, grabe kay ko garbo. Yeah, grabe sa kay ko prinsipyo. Di lang ko ganan ka nang yatakan ko ba, no? Feeling na ko giyatakan akong pagkatao, akong pagkababay, akong pagkamama, no? So that was it. I stopped, and then naningkamot lang ko gakuha. Then I ended with that recruitment agency, and that's where I learned about the in and out of the business. And until nga daghan na nag-ilog na ako nga mga agencies. I was one of the most sought after recruiters in Cebu. So mo to nga daghan ko mga offers for a better position. But I realized nga every company nga akong gunitan mutdako, mulambo, nadato og samot ang mga tag-iya. Pero
Sila mo'y nadato.
na ako ang brain sa business.
Empleyado gihapon.
Pobre lang gihapon kaayo. So I took the risk of resigning from my job. I only had 10,000 pesos in my pocket during
that
that
time.
time. And I opened my own company. Ako ra po'y adto-adtog DTI. No? And then I just borrowed office from a good friend. Gamay ra gud kayong opisina. Yeah, I started dealing with 10 to 15 clients until it grew through word of mouth and referrals.
Yeah.
Nidako siya. And nakabalhin ko og bigger office sa CFI. No, I am renting the whole floor of CFI, and including the fourth floor sa fifth and fourth floor of CFI. Then after ana I open kog mga offices sa lain-lain nga lugar. So I was able to build 23 branches over the Philippines, and Pinoy Care is now the largest visa provider in the entire Philippines.
But at that time, when you were busy with Pinoy Care, wala pa sad gyud nasud sa imong mind nga mugo ka into public service?
Wala gyud. But then, tungod sa overwhelming blessings nga nadawat na ako, no, because of this business, I've been doing a lot of apostolic works, no, outreach programs. I always respond to calamities, no, even not only here in Cebu, katong nagyolanda, katong mga unsa pa tong mga past nga katong mga earthquakes nga mga nahitabo, no. we were always there to give a financial support to every place nga na ay mga
Those
calamities. Especially, of course, here in Cebu City. Labi na gyud ang barangay Mabolo. No?
Taga Mabolo.
But then, kato siya, these are all philanthropic works. Ako is giving back, no, for all the blessings that I've received. Mura gito ako nga malipay ko nga Pinoy Care Mo Tabang. I think it's my nature to really help. I'm a very generous person. Even if wako'y kwarta, whatever is left nako,
Manghatagid ka.
naagali mga di ko kabalibad. Oh.
Mao gina. God will always bless those who have generous hearts. Cons, I'm just curious. Asa nimo ma-point out ang recipe sa imong success? Is it because of your being madiskarte ka nga pagkababay or may kag PR sa mga tao? Like, trace back pa nimo kata imong French baker nga ikaw jay pangitaon sa mga clients. Asa nimo siya ma-point out? Kay basig daghan sa mga kababainhan or even men nga gusto sad to be as successful as you are.
So weird kay ang ako galing makita nimo sa yearbook nako sa ako ang diba,
School.
when you graduate.
Which school is this?
CIC.
CIC.
Namatay sa graduation na magita ng yearbook. Ilang yung description ako, I'm very reserved. Medyo mauwawon kay ko.
Really?
Pero tungod tingali sa kalisod sa among kinabuhi. And I really want to make money. Muna nga, murabag ni gawas ko, I came out from my shell. And muna, kanang siguro, ang kana akong pagka-friendly. O I'm very light to be with. No? Akong customer service, like I always kanang give my best. No? Sa akong ang mga customers, ako gid sila ipahimutang, ipaangay. I think
So, kana gyud, no?
gyud siya. PR
Yeah.
nako. Kay napadako man ako ang Pinoy Care no with 23 branches here in the Philippines, but I was able to spread my wings in the Middle East and Asia. When I went to UAE, gibalibaran gid ko nga I cannot do business there kay babay ko, no?
Mao ba?
Okay. Wala pa. I think I'm the only Filipina na was able to acquire an investor's visa.
Grabehan,
When
no?
I went there, kanang lisod ba ya? But then, it's meeting the right people. Yeah. Every person or every businessman nga ako ma-encounter, maganahan yun kay sila na ako. Nga murag, kanang, murag maka-feel yun ko, ganahan kay sila mutabang na ako. So, somebody helped me to put up my license there, ni sponsor, without me spending any single amount of money. Ana, murag maluoy tingay sila or ganahan sila or basta naibog to sila no.
Nadase mong beauty. Cause going back to motherhood, how do you juggle it? Handling your businesses, you have 11 right now. How do you juggle motherhood, handling your businesses, and doing public service at the same time?
To be honest, nakuwangan gyud akong time for my kids. No, but I'm just blessed that I have children who are very supportive and very understanding. And if you get the chance to meet them, they are very nice kids. They are very humble and very down to earth, no? Wa gyud kahambog-hambog sa lawas ning mga bataan ni sila. And in spite sa kakuwang og time na ko nila, I was still able to raise them well, no? Supportive gid sila. I think they understand sa akong pagka-single mom gid nga kanang that's why my mom is not around all the time for me. It's because she has to work for us.
Kinanglan mo hustle hard
Yes.
si mommy.
But then I always make sure to find time for them. Kanang it's not the quantity of time anyway, but it's really the quality of time that I gave to them.
Your daughters, Cons, are already 18 to no? 18
and 24 years
24.
old. My 24-year-old daughter is already married to Digul Gulyas, the family of the Gulyas in Talisay, no? Baguras na nagminyo, and she's gonna give birth this coming March.
So you're gonna be a lola na.
Pero sure ko, ngayon nagkataw sa bata niya, magkuyukuyog na ako. Mayroon gina, is that your son?
Basin ginig manghod. Pero Cons, kung imong ma-point out, now nga dagko naman imong mga anak, no? For you, what is the pinaka-struggle nga part sa motherhood? Is it when your kids are newborns? Is it the toddler stage or the teenage stage sa pagkabata?
Actually, the most difficult is the teenage stage.
Nga naman.
Kaya kumingon ka katong toddler pa sila, baby pa sila, you just do a routinary job as a mother, pakanon, no? Make sure they're comfortable, nya kanang dili lisod man kapoy lang no to take care of the baby.
Yeah. Kay kiat kaayo.
Ari sa teenage panggood life, especially with our with the new generation now, lisod kay sila i-handle kay kanang influence na biya sila by social media, sa peers nila sa eskwelahan, lahi na gyud ang dagan sa ilahang utok, no? So you have to be a modern mom. You have to be understanding, kailangan flexible ka, no? Dili gid mo apply tong sa una nga mingon kag sit, you sit down, pwede pa nimo kusion, no? Or kanang masuko ka, dili na gid ana, no? So but then kailangan lang gyud ka og open communication with your children to make things work out.
Yeah.
Sabot gid ka.
What kind of mom are you?
I'm a cool mom.
Cool mom. So dili ka strict, okay ra, sugtan ra nimo like mo. Especially nga girls ang duha, okay ra ka nga mulaag sila.
Oh, I allow them to go out, but they're not really party animals. Like dili sila party goers, but I allow them to go out. I allow them to sleep over with friends. Pero with limitations lang sad. And I allow them to drink, no? Okay
But do you
raman.
drink with them also?
Yes, I drink with
Yeah.
them.
Okay,
Inana
para
lang.
ko
Cool
an.
mom good, no? And then kung mingon nga nanay boyfriend, bisag
Okay ra.
sus, di gid ko ganan, pero okay na lang. Ana, you have to
Kaysa naman
understand.
magtago-tago,
Right.
no? Because that's what a lot of moms tell me nga, dadaan na lang imong uyab diri sa balay, ayaw tagua, kaysa magtago-tago sila somewhere, nga wala ka
Oh,
kahibaw.
pero ang nakanindot lang sad kay ang ilahang environment, ang ilahang mga friends kay mga maayo ra sad, no? So,
I think that's what's most important here.
yes,
The group of friends your
and my
children are with.
my children are all achievers, no? Especially my youngest daughter. She's very, very intelligent, no? She's very unique and very talented also. Both my kids are very talented. They know how to play instruments, they know how to sing, they know how to dance, no? I'm very proud of them.
Wow, and I'm very happy to know that. Up next, we will be asking questions to Counselor Nina about the subject of love when we return here at Girl Talk. Hi everyone, you are still watching Girl Talk for our Women Leaders Beyond Politics series, and we are still here with Counselor Nina, and as promised, we will now be talking about love. Oh. Laom kini siya, ang gugma. Gugma gyud. Sige,
Kasi mataga ko sa kaningkuranan.
because before tamo talk about, this is really about love for self. But
Okay.
before we touch the topic of self-love, kuan lang sa, sige, love in general, based sa imuhang mga naagian in life, what would you say is your greatest takeaway when it comes to handling relationships? Like, unsay mong greatest lesson nga kanang di mo siya malimtan?
Well, I'm a very loving person, no, when I'm in a relationship. And may in love gid na akong partner, no. Loving good, no.
Oh, bitaw.
I'm a housewife material. Like, I'm very domesticated.
Really?
I always serve my partner, no. Daghan kay mingon nga alpha female ko, but actually dili, I'm a very submissive person when it comes to relationship.
Paraygon ka.
Paraygon, yeah. I'm very sweet.
And maalagain.
Ingon sila, sweet ko. But then, one thing lang yun I've learned about relationship, no? Like, I don't stick to a relationship if it's toxic already. So, I've been through many relationships. It's because if I feel nga, kanang dili maayo akong partner, there's no reason to stay around. Kay sayang ang panahon.
Yeah.
You only live once, no? And
YOLO.
and then I'm not getting any younger. Of course, you have to look for someone who you are compatible with in anything. Someone you can drink with, someone you can play with, no? And someone nga kanang who can be your buddy in everything, no? And someone who will always be there no matter what will happen, no? Kay daghan baya kay kog mga challenges, no, trials, especially that I'm in politics. I've been suffering from so many controversies, no, but I need someone who will really understand, support, and who will fight for me.
Yeah,
no? Kay
bitaw.
paglaban jud ko ba, kanang labanan jud ko ba, no? Kay I'm just I'm still fragile in some ways, no?
Yeah.
I got hurt. I'm very sensitive. I'm very emotional. Muna nga I need someone nga who can really stand up for me.
Yeah.
Kana lang. And parang I'm not a martyr type of person. So if I feel that kanang murag dili na something is wrong with the relationship, then I just decide I just go and leave.
Matod pa ni Kuan, Ellen Adarna, imong twin ko, no? I just left, guwapa ko, di ba?
I just left, guwapa ko.
Sige. So let's leave it at that when it comes to relationships with men. Now let's talk about self-love. Love for self. And I'd also like to know, unsa ka kakikay? What is in your bag, Cons? Right now, nga kanang maingon jud ka nga di ka pwede mo lakaw sa balay nga di na nimo bitbiton. And we have your very banggang bag right now.
Kibaw ka, I'm a before nga wa pa ko'y kwarta, wag ko ika-afford og palit, no? Nga. But then I like nice things, not
Okay.
necessarily branded. Basta kung ganahan ko niya angayan ko, no, sa nina, bag, shoes, mura gini akong paliton, basta lang angayan ko. But then, because I'm given the privilege to buy luxury things now, I buy the best ones, the best bags. I have a lot of collections of Hermes.
Wow.
I have a lot of Chanel bags. Name it. I have Gucci, I have Louis Vuitton, I have everything.
No?
Yes, from bags, clothes, shoes, tanan, accessories, jewelries, and I like fashion jewelries, good kana yung statement jewelries, no, especially stones. And then I have a lot of collections ana. But as far as kanang pang-arte-arte sa now, I'm not into heavy makeup. Okay? I will look old, murag mature kung kanang heavy kaya akong makeup.
Yeah.
Something that I cannot live without. Nga naagid sa akong bag.
Unsa man na siya?
Lip tint.
Lip tint, yes.
Kaya ang lip tint, pwede na sa lips, pwede na po
Sa
sa cheeks. And then, my kanilang.
Kilay.
Kilay
Unsay mong
is like...
Unsay mong hang favorite nga pangkilay, Cons?
Well, I like Anastasia. And ang akong mga makeup, well, my God, I have expensive makeup. I have
Wow.
all collects. Taganya, tika.
Ganahan ko, ana.
I have all sorts of makeups. Kompleto yun ko, mga from bronzer, tanan, inana. But then, kini akong bag, naagid ko yung essential oil.
Sige, atong i-read ko no hay imong bag, Cons, be. Unsay sura na tong LV
I
nga bag.
have an essential oil. Actually,
Di mo na ipahid sa imong tangkugo, ana, kung stressed ka. Di ba? Mas stress ba ito sa life?
Kaya maka-relax man
Yeah.
yun, no, ang essential oil. And it's very healthy for
Yeah.
us to use essential oil. And actually, I realized, kay gikan mo ko beach, I realized nga, wa nabutang diri ang lipstick. Ang
imong
akong
makeup
lip
kit.
tint. Oh, so now I'm panicking. I'm very uncomfortable nga wala. No, but di
Pero aside from that,
di gyud na sila mawa diri. But then nawa karon mo na nga naguol ko, uncomfortable ko. And magic lipstick also. So alternate with lip tint. You know magic lipstick.
Yes,
Kanang
kanang-
barato ra gud.
di ana ni mo pink.
Oh,
Mo gamit di ka, ana,
yes,
Cons.
a lot of actress nagamit ba ya ana, makagwapa ra gyud na siya all the time.
Kuan man na siya Mercurian
Yeah,
effect, no?
bisan mag-kissing pa mo dira. Dili siya mapapas.
Mas mapuha pa siya.
Oh, yung mga I woke up like this. Mora man, that's all. Mora na. And my power bank, of course, kay heavy user kay ko sa akong phone. Mora na. And a gum. Na diri.
Pero unsa imong i-point out, Cons, kay imong favorite collection? Is it your bag collection, your shoes, accessories, or the makeup? Imong pinaka-favorite lang gyud. Nga murag imong ingon nga.
Di man ka pwede mo palit og bag nga di kang palit og sapatos. Yaw, di sad ka pwede mo palit og sapatos nga di ka mo palit og belt.
Ala.
So, kinanglan gid
Anong
siya.
gidi ay?
Kaning tulubag, shoes and belt kailangan matching gina siya. Then clothes, grabe sad kay kog mo shop og clothes. I usually
ba?
buy my clothes from Hong Kong.
But now nga pandemic, unsaon man nimo
Wa. Pero,
online?
Dili I don't buy clothes online. Pero naapag ko daghan ako if you will have the chance to visit my house, it's like a department store.
Wow! So, sa una, sales lady ka sa department store, kaya na kay mo department store sa
Yes.
balay.
Nana ako kakikay, but then, bugoy ra gihapon kay ko. Like, ang akong pagka-bugoy sa una, gyud na I still kanang drink Red Horse.
Kulapo.
Gabi sa ko. I still drink Red Horse niya. Ganahan pagyapon ko mag-inom sa Daplins Calzada. I don't like to go to fancy places. Kaya it's not me. No?
And siguro, it's really the kanang culture that you miss ba? And it feels like home.
Yes.
No?
And then, ganahan yapon ko ginununan nga isda.
Ay, me too.
I like to go out to expensive restaurants, pero umingon jud kag hababog kaon.
Yeah.
Ari ko sinununan ug
Where you
buwan,
can be yourself sa
og saging hilaw.
Wow.
These are the food that
Gigutom
I
na ko.
cannot live without sad.
No?
Saging hilaw, ginamos, buwad, inununan.
Na,
Isda.
gawas na tong
Oh,
bahaw.
mais nga kanon.
Hi, going back sa imong pagkakikay, Cons, na kay imuhang on beauty line. It's called Priska Beauty and Cosmetics. But curious ko, ano sa imong skincare routine?
The reason why I built Priska Beauty and Cosmetics, it's because I'm a lover of skincare. Yeah.
Korean in particular, kanang
No, traveler man ko. I travel from one country to another. Sa usagod kabuan mo biyahe ko 7-8 countries, no? Yeah, ngadto I keep buying those expensive products. But then magsige man sad ko basa sa mga ingredients. So, nadugay na familiarize na ako ang mga ingredients. And then one time I was able to attend an exhibit in Hong Kong. Yeah. I discovered nga barato ra day kay ning mga ingredients.
Actually.
No? So kanang mahalon kay nga mga brand it's because of kanang branding ra gyud na.
And the packaging
And
too.
the packaging. So naghimo kog akong own formulation for myself. But then paggamit na ko, effective gyud kay siya. You can see.
As
You can
in,
see.
mao gyud.
So, moto nga, I created my own kanang formulation, created my own product. So, I have toner, I have Botox gel, Botox.
Yeah.
Instead nga, i-inject,
I-inject.
it's only,
Topical na lang siya.
Topical siya. And I have DNA serum, no, with placenta, no, with hyaluronic acid. And then I have my own sunblock. So, it's actually one set. Now, kani siya nga mga products, kung imo gyud ni siyang i-position sa market, you can sell it at 50,000 to 75,000 pesos.
Really?
No?
Mahal
As a matter
oy.
of fact, ang Bello, niya na gyud sila na ako nga, what is your skincare? How come you almost have zero pores? Mo gyud niyang
Lagi.
gisulti. Then I told them about my products and they're very interested to
Tie up with you?
tie up with me for this pang kina-impress gid sila sa ako ang skin, no? And tungod kay ako mo gamit, ako user, I didn't settle for those katong mga baratuhon kay nga mga ingredients. Ang best of the best nga mga ingredients akong gi-combine. And wa gud ni mercury ako there is no triclosan.
Yeah.
Ug wala sad ko anang hydroquinone. Kay kanang hydroquinone, it whitens your skin, but later on, it will damage your skin. Munang magpigmentation ka, and munang magmelasma. Kabantay ka, mag-dark ang mga skin.
Dark spots.
Dark spots. It's
Okay.
because of the overuse of hydroquinone. So muna nga, ang products, nindot jud kay na siya og ingredients.
So, imong skincare, Cons, night and day gina siya.
Yes, night and day. And since I want the middle class women
Yeah.
to maka-afford sila og palit sa akong produkto, akong gi-position akong product as kanang class A, B, and C. Maka-afford na gyud sila. So ang akong one set is like 799
Okay ra.
pesos. Nya katong medyo high-end kay ni gamit lagi ko mga serums, it's 1,999.
Okay.
And beautiful kay ang packaging. Ako pa.
Excited me mo try sa mga products, Cons.
Ay, I will
Seen
give
yun.
you. Gamita good ha.
Of course, I will. Now we 3 minutes left for this last segment. And then for the series, naman good me random 20 questions. So we'll be
Okay.
asking you random 20 questions which you can answer in just 1 to 2 words.
Okay.
So kana lang siya. Okay, ready na ka?
Sige,
So yun, ready siya. And as promised, wholesome man ta din here.
sige.
Wholesome.
Okay na sige.
Sige, let's start.
Okay.
Cons, coffee or tea?
Tea.
Your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like caramel.
Celebrity crush ni mo? One Pinoy and one Hollywood.
Celebrity crush.
And ang Filipino, usa.
Kinsa man akong crush? Kinsa man?
Dili si Piolo. kinsa-
Di. John Lloyd.
John Lloyd.
Oo.
Kung Hollywood, international.
Hollywood International. Kinsa man? Brad Pitt. Ngayon anak kagwapo.
Nina na nga
Oo,
laval.
oo.
Okay. Lechon manok or liempo?
Lechon manok.
One makeup item that you cannot live without. Usa ra gyud.
Lip tint.
Lip tint. Winter, spring, summer, or fall? Okay, you're well-traveled man gyud. What's your favorite season?
Fall.
Fall. Banana Q or Toron?
Banana Q.
Of
Ako
course.
binabaligya.
Banana Q queen of Abolo. Halo-halo or binignit?
Halo-halo.
Given that reincarnation is true, what animal would you like to be reincarnated to in your next life?
Animal. I want... Ano yung animal? Dog.
Dog. A song that would best describe your life right now?
What man?
Unsa to?
Unsa man?
Ikaw.
You?
You.
Yeah. But it's a love song. Something that will describe
Your
me.
life right now.
Describe my life. Unsa man? Tagay ko kay Diabe.
Kuan.
Like,
I will survive.
I will survive. Unsa man? I don't know. I'm more
Call
on
a
love
friend.
song. Pero, call a friend.
Call
Pang
a
love,
friend.
love, man good atong mga kanta. Good.
You na lang kay kuan man ka.
You
You
na lang.
you have a big heart.
Yes,
Okay. What is your favorite kakanin? Okay, hapit na ba mi sa Degalio?
Kakanin, palitaw.
Parehas ta. I love palitaw. What do you think is the sexiest part of a woman's body?
My boobs, probably.
How about what do you think is the sexiest part of a man's body? Or like the face, parang?
Actually, the eyes.
The eyes.
It's how he looks at you.
Oh, di ba? Kumakuha ka lang sa tingin.
tingin.
If you were to migrate to another country, where would it be and why?
Of course, Canada.
Canada.
And I've been inviting a lot of Filipinos to go to Canada because of their
Benefits.
healthcare and benefits.
So diha gyud.
Yes.
It's better than Australia.
Of course.
What's your phobia? Do you have any phobia? Are you scared of?
Like, I'm always scared of flying, but I'm flying all the time. So I have to take something when I fly, or I take
Pang
wine.
relax?
Yeah.
Okay. Favorite sport, if any?
Badminton.
What is your favorite subject in school?
I like physics.
Physics?
Yeah.
Wow ba? Di ko love sa physics at that time. One thing that you're most proud of as a Cebuana?
Being alone, being a Cebuana itself, being a Cebuana myself, I'm very proud already. Diba baka when you go to other places, kung din sila mga Cebuana, mga gwapa,
Wow
mga
ba?
sila, mga
And-
sweet, lambing tao. Pero one thing I'm proud of being a Cebuana, like, also man, our traits, no? Nga, kuan man ta, we're very malambing, the way we speak.
Yeah. Maka-in-love yun.
Kain lang.
If you were to choose, Facebook or Instagram?
Facebook.
Facebook. One sentence that you'd like to say to everyone nga mubash ni mo.
Like, what? I really don't care.
Wala. Deadma
Wala
lang.
Deadma lang. I just remain quiet. Yeah.
Okay. Nalingaw ko sa atong chika segment for this episode. Cons, just for our parting words, happy na Pasko. Is there any Christmas message that you'd like to share, especially to Cebuanos labi na karon nga medyo lisod-lisod yun, no, ang
Well,
panahon. Any
yeah.
message of hope that you'd like to say to our viewers right now?
I know that this Christmas will not be the same as our Christmas from the previous years, but I think you just have to spend it with your family, no? Mas makabanding ka. It doesn't have to be grand. Simple lang, pero ang importante nga kompleto ang pamilya. And the best Christmas gift that you can give to yourself is to make sure that you keep yourself healthy. Kay naata sa pandemic karon, just practice the health protocols. Kay it's not about yourself, it is about your family. So kung imong protektahan imuhang kaugalingon, then you are also protecting your entire family, no? So kana lang. And maybe usually kung Pasko gani naman gini matter gid ang material nga mga butang, gifts, no? But para nako ang imuhang presence karon mo'y pinaka-importanteng regalo nimo sa imuhang pamilya. So, kana lang.
That's a very, very nice message. Con, thank you kaayo sa imong pagbisita din sa My TV studio. And I hope that we would all be infected by your hard work and
Yes.
imong kakugi in life and your skill in charming other people. Daghan
you
kayong
so
salamat.
much.
I
And-
enjoyed our talk and I hope that you enjoyed this episode as much as we
Yes.
did.
Because of you. Stay beautiful.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Daghang salamat to all of our viewers. This has been Andrea for Girl Talk and advance Merry Christmas, everyone.